Hello everyone. This printer is Canon TS4150i. What I want to do is to show you ways to print document and photo with this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your computer or laptop are connected together via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct or with a USB cable. We connected both via Wi-Fi network and the printer is showing us online. To print document, there are two ways to do this. The first option is go to File Explorer. So select File Explorer from your laptop. After you connected the printer to a network, then go to Documents or wherever you save the document, go to Document or Download or OneDrive. So select the document, double-click the document to open. This is the document I want us to print out, two-page document. To print this document out, you select the printer icon on top, or you type at the same time Ctrl P. Select Ctrl P from your keyboard. Then go on the left side and scroll down to select Canon Pixma TX4100 series. It will show you ready. Select on the printer. Then you select number of copies. Use up or down to type the number of copies. Layout, we want to print this in portrait and we want to print all pages. Then you select the color, print on both sides, scroll down to select print on both sides, long edge. Then you select more settings. It gives you option for you to select the paper A4, 100% the actual size, and 1 page per sheet. Then you select print. So this document is printing. So this is the document we printed out from the computer. From File Explorer, we printed it out double-sided in color. Another way to print documents with this printer from your computer is for us to use Canon Print app. So the printer and laptop are connected together, and this is Canon Print app, and the printer is showing us online Canon TX4100 series online. This is the printer and the ink level. So to print documents from this app, you select Document Print. So select Document Print. Then it will take you to your file for you to select OneDrive or wherever you save the document from, download or document. So select Documents. Then you go on the top, you can type the document name. Then select the document. Select Open. Once you select Open, the document will be attached. So this is the document, the same document, two-page document. Now I want us to print this document single page and in black color. So go on the right side, select the paper as A4. Then you select orientation as portrait. You want to print all. Media type, plain paper. Print on both sides, print on one side. Quality, you can scroll down to select high, standard, draft, or auto. So it's currently in auto. And 1 page per sheet, borderless. You can select borderless on and off. Borderless is off. And we want to print this in grayscale. So you will change the document to black and white or grayscale if you like. And casket. Then you select number of copies. Use up or down to select number of copies to increase it or decrease the number. So I want to copy this one and then you select print. So this document is going to print in black and white and single page each. These are documents we printed in black text, black and white, single page. Printed this one, double-sided in color. Now, what I want to do is to show you how to print photo. First of all, we need to load correct photo paper. The photo paper we want to use, we want to print 4x6 photo paper. So we're going to replace the A4 with 4x6 photo paper. This is 4x6 photo paper. You need to make sure the print area need to face down, or the smooth part need to face down, the rough part need to face up. So the printable area need to face down. Then adjust the cover and also bring this paper guide. So this is 4x6 photo paper. Then load it. Reload the casket. Then the next thing you need to do is you need to select the paper select button to switch to 4x6. 4x6 is highlighting. Then you select OK to confirm the paper, and the light will be steady. So the paper we have here is 4x6. Now to print photo from computer, you can select File Explorer to print the photo, or you select Canon Print App. So we want to select Canon Print App. So select Canon Print App. Then it will take you to your file for us to select the photo. So you can select the photo. It will show you OneDrive or download or document. Select the photo, then select Open File. So the photo is going to attach. This is the photo we want to print out. To print it out, you go on the right side, select Orientation as Portrait, and also it will start to show you the size of the paper, 4x6 inch. Orientation, Portrait, Media Type. You scroll down to select Glossy Photo Paper. Quality, Auto. Borderless is off. So you can see borderless is on. Then this is borderless. So you can see borderless is off. Then borderless is on. We'll show you. Now we want to print it in color, and paper source casket. Then you select number of copies, use up or down to select the number of copies. Then you select print. So select continue printing. This is the photo we printed out. You can see how smooth and shiny it is. Ways to print documents and photo from computer with this printer. Thank you very much indeed.